Mrs. Penguin's Ideal Palace. Once upon a time, Mrs. Penguin wished to have a house. Papa Penguin said, "We will build a palace for you." And they all set to work. Betty and Katy collected sand. Dumpy helped Papa Penguin build the sandcastle. Mrs. Penguin brought food for everyone. They ate and then continued with their work. Finally, the castle was finished. Suddenly, a huge tide came in and washed away the castle. "Don't worry, we will try again," said Papa Penguin. The family decided to build a palace of stone. Katy and Dumpy collected stones. Soon, the palace of stone was ready. A strong wind came and blew over the palace of stone. "We will now build a palace of wood for Mama," Papa Penguin tried to cheer up the kids. Katy collected the wood. Betty and Dumpy started finding the nets. Papa Penguin brought the hammer. They worked all day. At last, the house was finished. "Look at your palace," said Papa Penguin. Mrs. Penguin clapped her wings. She thanked everyone and said, "It's my ideal palace." Moral of the story: if at first you don't succeed, try again.